Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to manage your Camtasia Studio files and project. So let's get started. In our previous lecture, we record our PC screen. We see this here. Our recorded raw file is saved on our desktop in TREC format. Our file is automatically saved on desktop because we select desktop file as a location to temporary storage recording file. You can change this by clicking on Edit, Preference, click on Advanced and change your location here. In Media Bin section, we can see our raw recorded file. Our recording TREC file is raw screen recording. This is also a cross-platform compatible. That means we can use this file as Camtasia Studio for PC and Camtasia Mac project. If you are using Camtasia Studio version 8.3 or earlier, then your recording file will be .camrec. This file is only compatible with Camtasia Studio PC. Alright, to save this recorded file as a project, simply click on File, click Save As, and type any name, whatever you want, select your saved location and click on Save. Our Camtasia Studio project file is successfully saved in our desktop in tscproj format. This is our raw recording file and this is our Camtasia Studio project file. This is the file we need to open to continue working with this project.